In today's lesson, we are going to be drawing an ice cream sundae. To start the ice cream sundae, you need to start by making a line of symmetry, so find the middle. After you do that, you're gonna create an ellipse, which I already did right here. After that, you're going to make a half circle. That's the top of your ice cream. And then you're going to grab that and bring it down to this point, create like a smile, grab it here, bring it down, and then we're going to do the base. For the base, you're gonna create like a little cylinder, which means you're gonna do the sides, another ellipse, and then we're gonna be making a bigger ellipse right here, which is the base. And I like to do it super soft, and then I go back over it a little heavier. Very good. That's the bottom. After we get this much done, what we're gonna do next is that we are going to add some details. So the first detail I wanna add right here is some whipped cream. And to do the whipped cream, I'm going to create like this wave, and it goes back here. Then here I'm gonna make a cherry on top. Oh, wait. Here we go, cherry on top. Right here. Let's keep building this up. Something like that. Okay. We're gonna have some lines right here, and we're going to be erasing a little bit of our line of symmetry. And then we're gonna erase a little bit of this part. Now we're starting to see the roundness of the ice cream. All right, on the bottom right here, we're gonna start to make this more into a fancy cup. So we're gonna get these. Let me see. We're gonna make this more into like ice cream that's being scooped, and it's kind of like in here. After these, we are going to add detail to this cup. So we're gonna go down here, and then we're gonna make like, that's like the lip right here. And again, we're gonna clean as we go. Get some of these erased. Go like this, go like that. Okay, it's time to add some more detail to this cup. Let's see. We want it to be real fancy. We want it to have this fancy shape, these curves. Oh. And then we're gonna create these curves again. Follow along. Now we're gonna clean this up. Very good. If you need to pause the video, just pause it as you need to, because I know it is very challenging to keep up with it. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do right here is that we are going to round this up and round this up so it's softer. We're gonna create a line down here. We're gonna create a line up here, a line down here, and then we're gonna erase the line of symmetry. On the bottom, we're gonna get rid of some of these detail. Now we're gonna make it more just like this. We're gonna give it a few little lines right here. Like that. Grab the edge. I'm gonna give it a horizontal line right here just to anchor the picture a little bit and start to create the illusion. A few lines right here to echo. And then we want to do some more things to the top. Let's get rid of these line right here. Keep this one to give us the swoop, the give it some more detail right here. Then we want to have like some syrup or something on this. So maybe some syrup right here. I just keep going like that. And then we want to soften this up and not have it so hard. Like we don't want it to be like a half circle or a dome. We want it to be more organic looking. Okay. Very nice. I think I would like to show it like this. Okay. And then down here, we want to add a little bit of more stuff and more stuff and more lumpiness here. This up a little bit. All right, I think we need to do a little bit of detail over here, a little bit more detail, like, you know, the line right here, and that's how you draw an ice cream. There it is. All we have left to do is color it on our next lesson.